In this video, we're going to share with you 4 things you must know before you purchase a Model Y or even test drive one.
This is a Model Y Performance. As you see, you can notice this performance by means of the line right underneath the dual motor, and the front opens up. You have all of this space here, which opens up to your front. We have the mats in the car, and these seats lay down. Look at how much space is back here. Amazing. Press that there and it closes your front. I'm going to go into the back seat here. Look at the nice amount of space that you find here. The back of the car. These are not real leather, but they are artificial, which is nice. No animals are being killed for this design. Look at the roof. It's got a nice view. It's a little more clear and a lot bigger than the Model 3. And there we see the screen right ahead. It is the same size as the Model 3 screen. We also notice the vents here in the back, places to put your items back here. Pretty much the exact same size design as the Model 3. We have this smooth texture here, suede. And then we have the stitching along here. This will be used for the doors. And we also have the performance rims. Very nice performance rims. And this model is the white model. It's pretty quick, pretty fast. And some of the accessories that come with the car, they will be the exact same ones that go with the Model 3 as well. It has 8 cameras. That's just one there, and there is number 2. This one has the performance brake pedals. The front can be opened from inside and also closed. Or that's the trunk. The front is right here. We're just gonna let you see how big, how wide that is. Pretty good size, pretty decent size. And this will be your filters up here, and that's where you will be adding in your windshield wiper fluid. That's the only liquid you have to put inside of the car. So here it is, the Model Y 2022 Model Y. Have our lights on here.
As regards to the comfort in the Model Y, it is very similar to the Model 3, but you sit a lot higher and you have a broader view of your surroundings in the front seat. The car does come with options of additional 2 seats to be put in to the back of the car.
And it's pretty spacious, as we notice. Just to give you an idea, this is what the compartment looks like. This one as well comes with a little mat here. Since this is performance, it will come with car mats, but they will not be all-weather mats. And we notice that we have this simple rearview mirror, these dome lights as well. And then we have this mirror here. Look how spacious it is. This is just the 5-seater. There is another option for you to get more seats added to the car. So once again, the Model Y 2022
Washington Avenue.
performance. So to open up the glove box, we're just going to go here, and here you have the glove box, same design as well. Here is your security camera, USB. You can also get that upgraded. This one here would be $69,190. So notice what all is included here. All black premium interior, base autopilot, 21-inch wheels, pearl white multi-coat, and then the carbon fiber spoiler, which has been added, the performance pedals, performance upgrade, performance brakes, premium interior, pay-as-you-go supercharging, and 5-seat interior. So this just kind of gives us a little breakdown of everything that's inside of this car. Manufactured actually in the month of April. Has the VIN number there as well. Very nice. And we notice as well, we have the wood finish. Everything else is exactly like it is inside of the Model 3. And we're gonna see if we can test out the 0 to 60 here on the highway. So let's see if we can floor it just for testing purposes. Let's see what it feels like. We do have it in sport mode, but you don't really feel like your body being thrown to the back of your seat when you when you floor it. So that's just one of the differences.
In 1 mile, take exit 165 on the right toward Arlo.
Model 3 drives more like a go-kart. This one drives kind of like I'm driving a family car, but it's just ridiculously fast. Let's see how it gets up. Oh yeah, it does get up. My goodness, I was impressed by that acceleration.
Really? Did we need the drums? Did you have to put an accent on that one? Really? You mean whoa?
Turn right onto
Yeah, that's amazing.
Now turn right onto Paramus Park.
So we're gonna head over here. We're actually in Jersey, driving this car.
So all in all, I would rate this vehicle as a number 10. It has good acceleration, 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds, as well as it has a lot of comfort for family members, easy access to your car seats in the back seat, and it's just all in all a very good car. The range is nice as well. The dual motor acceleration is something that you may think about because you'll be able to have 4-wheel drive. If you want to learn more about the Model 3, let's continue that conversation in the next video.